Alright. Well, you may notice some slight incongruence with the last episode, and that's because I wanted to clear out some stuff and gain some points and get all of the orbs and shards and so forth. And I figured that would be really pretty boring to watch. So, as you can see, I've made a bit of progress. Okay, I cleared out a bunch of bases and have performed most of the necessary tasks to you know, clear out this entire map and sabotage the DUP's control over it. But that's okay, because I left some fun stuff for you guys to see. Like, here's a side mission that's fun to complete. Bum, 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 bum. Yes. This is the secret agent. Somewhere, there's a guy who looks just like this. And I gotta find him. And bind him. Oh, well, there he is. That was quick. Ha ha! The goal here is obviously to try not to injure civilians, because that would be bad. This guy's really doing a good job of evading me. In fact, he may well get away. He's right on the edge of the map. Sometimes it makes more sense to just let him go. But I've never been really high on common sense. I'm gonna get you. You think you got away. All you did was corner yourself on the map. Gotcha, bitch! Cool. So it took me halfway across the map, but I caught the spy. And now that I've caught the spy, I've unlocked the DUP Helpline Quest, which is where I call in and bother the lady on the DUP helpline and get them to come and attack me.
What the?
Hey guys, how's it going? Want to be friends? Dad'll teach you to do drugs. What's the matter? I thought you liked smoking things. I thought you liked smoking things. Okay. Alright. Maybe you're right. Oh, surrendered? Alright then. So I busted up that drug deal good and proper. Other fun things you can do to cost the DUP control of an area. Mess it up. Because if they can't even defend it, how can they control it? Graffiti. Rock'em Sock'em Icon or Straining Wheels? I guess I'll go with Straining Wheels. Yep. Ha. Alright. I could abandon this project, but I'm not going to. One more stencil. Okay. He's gonna be very, very white. It's straining wheels because he's straining to make them turn because they're squares. It's delicious.
A plan and an aerosol can.
Someone? Anyone? I'm someone. I love you too, strange woman I just met on the street. Fish market. Take down another spy.
I joined the DUPs. It wasn't for the whole power thing. Damn.
Ha 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 ha! I have discovered your secret hiding place. Now we will go on an hour-long chase into the middle of the public.
Get a new job.
Gotcha.
Or else.
That was a lot easier than the last one. Hidden camera missions. These are fun. So the DUP has a hidden camera somewhere, and it's looking right at me. Which means I'm looking right at it. Oh, is that it? Almost invisible to the naked eye in that light. But I got it. Stairway to head wound? Don't mind if I do. I don't think that the blue and red on these influence your karma at all. But I've been going with blue just because it like, I try to do good karma on everything, and good karma's blue, so I have no idea, guys. Someone on the internet, go ahead and look that one up for me. We'll find out. We'll find out together.
Just made the world a little better place.
Stairway to head wound. So here's how you clear an area of DUP influence entirely.
Do you have a bioterrorist incident to report?
So, what are you wearing?
Is that you, honey? Wait, I know that voice. You're that punk kid who keeps calling. Ah!
Why do they even keep answering my calls?
He fit that whole spray paint can in his pocket. Oops. These guys are bad news. Like any case man concrete. So I generally don't spend too much time fretting over
Suck on this!
their personal safety. But if I can choke them, I'll do it. Over here. Ow! It takes a long time to reload that thing. Sorry, friend. Meant to knock you out, not kill you. But when you're shooting at me with a rocket launcher, I don't feel that bad about it. But now, if you look at the map, there's only one thing left. It's a file. And files are fun to look for. Use a little tracker thing, and you get closer and closer to them until you track them down. Come on, go do that. What? Oh, that was weird.